All right, hello everybody. My name is Shazada, and today we're going to be going over the news and landing pages. So just head over there to the left side on the navigation panel and click that page. And so here we are. These are the articles that you can choose from. Now the style you can change, however, that is a pro feature, but you can go to your profile settings and change this. I show you how in a different video. You can look for that, how to update your contact info. So these articles have just been recently mined by an AI system. They scour the internet and find current hot topics in your area. I live in Vancouver, BC, so this news is specific to me. So you can pick an article you like and then download the picture, which you would then upload to your story along with the link that you copy. So here's the image you can see. This is what you would upload to your story. And the link is also right there where you can copy to your clipboard. So let's look at the landing page that your viewers will be taken to when they click this link. So you just click that preview your article link on the top and you'll see the landing page and you'll see a little blurb of the article from previous image. And then below that, there are some lead generating landing pages. So if your audience is interested in knowing the answer of one of these questions, they're going to click. And then they'll be taken through a lead gen process where they just put their information in, which we will collect for you. Okay, so now we're at the end of the road at this beautiful thank you page, and I would just like to point out that the contact info shown above is for pro users only. So let's get back to the roomvu website back here. Your viewers can go and click on the article right there on that link there, continue to full article, to see the entire article in its full length if they are interested. And so if you go back to the previous page, if you scroll down, you can see you can also run ads on these landing pages, which we can discuss in more detail in the next video. So now you're probably wondering, hey, what about my lead? Where do I go to see them? You can see them on the lead management page to your left. So that's in the navigation bar to the left panel, and just click on that, and there you have it. So you will have to upgrade to Pro to see all of your leads. However, the beauty is roomvu will send follow-ups for you. So upgrading to Pro has many perks. I know, it just keeps getting better and better. So how about I show you how the news posts look on a feed? So this is Richard Silver, and this is his Facebook profile. I'm just scrolling to find news to share. And here we go. So there it is. As you can see, you clicked right on there and I got to the landing page and I was able to click on the lead gen tools to input my contact info. So there you have it. I hope this helps you learn a little bit more about our news and landing pages. I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good day.